Hi, I'm Aaron from ChargePoint, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the ChargePoint app. Once you've downloaded the app for Android or iPhone, make sure to create an account to take advantage of all the great features. One of my favorite features is Tap to Charge. With Tap to Charge, I can just tap my phone on a station to start charging, so I don't need to carry an RFID card on my keychain. To start a charge, I just tap my phone on a ChargePoint station and then plug in. The main reason people download the ChargePoint app is to find places to charge. All you have to do is open the app and you'll see all of the stations that are nearby. We show charging stations from ChargePoint and all other major networks. Each pin represents a place to charge. The green pin means that the station is available and ready for you to charge. The blue pin means that somebody else is using the station and it's not currently available. The gray pin means that the status info is not available at this time. Click on one of the pins to find more information about that station. You can see photos of the station to help you find it in the parking lot. You can also see if the station is available. Here you can see that one of the connectors is in use, but the other is available, so you can go there and charge. To start charging, just click the Start Charge button or tap your phone on the station like I showed you earlier. You can see if there's a fee to charge at that station, and if so, how much it costs. You can also see tips drivers have left about that station at the very bottom. If I want to check the charging status of my car, I just click here, and I can see everything I need to know. Here I can see how long I've been charging and about how many miles have been added. But I don't have to stay on my phone all day. If I enable notifications, ChargePoint will send me an update when my car is done charging. You can also track your entire charging history. I have ChargePoint Home at my house, so I can see all of my charging at home and around town. There's a whole lot more you can do with the ChargePoint app, but you'll just have to download it to check it out.